Chef Buck here, and today we're going to cook up some pork loin chops. Super tender and juicy, kind of inexpensive, relative to steak, and you can use it just like a steak. One of the first things you want to do is you want to take this meat out of the fridge. It's been sitting out for about a half hour to get the room temperature. That is important. You want to make sure and have your oven preheated to 350 degrees because this is going to be a fast process. And then you want to have a skillet that you can cook on top of the stove and also put in the oven. And I've already got this thing started heating up. In fact, I'm going to take my oil and go ahead and oil it up right now. Boom, boom, boom. The key with a pork loin chop is a lot of seasoning. So I got some garlic powder, and you can season this however you like to. The main thing is lots of salt and pepper. I'm going to add some paprika, anything you like. Onion powder, garlic powder. The main thing is salt and pepper, and don't be shy with it. And it should make a nice sizzling sound when it hits that pan. We're going to sear in this flavor. And I put the seasoned side down. I'm going to go ahead and season up this side. And these chops are probably about 3/4 of an inch thick. And for this preparation, you want thick chops, because a thin chop will never hold up to this high cooking on both sides and then in the oven. Then it'll be too tough. So I got it seasoned on this side now, and I'm going to let it cook away on the stovetop for about 3 minutes. Beep, 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 beep. Now I'm going to go ahead and flip them over. I'm going to use this spatula. The one thing you don't want to do is stab it with a fork and then flip it over. So we got a nice sear, and you want it to sear on the other side. Alright, so we'll let this go for a couple more minutes and then we'll put it in the oven to finish it off. Beep, 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 beep. Now I'm going to go ahead and finish it off in the oven. So we'll just slide it in here, let it finish cooking for about 5 minutes or until we think it's done. There's different degrees of doneness. Beep, 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 beep. You still hear them sizzling away. You want to let them rest for about 5 or 7 minutes. Don't cut into them, don't fool with them at all. See how if I push on that, it feels very firm. See, this one here feels a little less firm because this one's taller. So this one isn't as done. This one feels pretty good. I'm going to get it off of this hot skillet because it's going to continue to cook, even though we've taken it out of the stove. So we're going to put it on this plate, let it rest.
They are beautiful.
Let me give this a cut. Look at that. Boom. Now that is done. Done type done. So flavorful. Go to myfoodchannel.com. You can find all the recipes over there. Thanks for watching and subscribing. We'll see you in the future. Bye-bye.